In other days class, we are in the busy process of converting Vishay PP application as security application, right, boss? What is our target? The home page should have permit all, right? Wish message page should be allowed only for admin role people and agent role people. Only for admin role people. Contact us page should be allowed only for agent role people, right? We kept the project ready. We added jars. Cool. We configure delegating filter proxy as a special filter. Configuration file as the authentication info provider. Authentication info provider. We did all these works, boss. F63. Suresh is having admin role and agent role. Mahesh is having visitor role. Mahesh is having visitor role, guys. Ramesh is having admin role. Like these, a number of roles are there, boss. After that, what next? Perform other security configuration in security-beans.xml file. Check it out. Security:/HTTP use expressions to allow expressions. /access permit all, permit everyone. /wish as role, admin role. /contact access agent role. Here, mapping URLs for authentication and authorization. Permit all means no authentication, no authorization. This is our basic thought, Babu. Next. As role admin, authentication is compulsory. When it comes to authorization, admin role people only allowed to access the wish message. Only agent role people are allowed to access the contact. Okay, guys. But which mode of authentication? Yeah, Sai Pramesh, if you don't want to work with security-beans.xml, you can write these entries directly in dispatcher-servlet.x. Only for clarity purpose, I am taking separate file. Not compulsory, you should take separate file. You can place these things directly in dispatcher-servlet.x. Yeah. Security. Okay. What is the basic mode of authentication? A basic mode of authentication means the browser generates the dialog box asking username and password. The browser generates the dialog box asking username and password. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Asking username and password. We don't want I want to get a form asking username, password, form login. Form login. Instead of basic, we can go for form login. Okay, let's do that, guys. Okay, go to the top. security:/HTTP. Let me check security:/HTTP. Here is my use expressions. Security:/intercept URL. Security:/intercept URL. Right, boss? Pattern is equal to /. Pattern is equal to /. Come on. Pattern is equal to / boss. Okay. Access permit all. Permit all is okay. Permit all. security colon intercept URL pattern slash wish access is equal to access is equal to access is equal to understanding my statement, boss. Come on. Access is equal to tell me has role underscore admin. I want to allow only admin role people. Authentication plus authorization. Authentication is required, authorization. Next, security colon accept URL. What is there, guys? What is there, guys? Contact access has role. Tell me. Role underscore agent. Role underscore agent. Role underscore agent. HTTP colon basic. Okay. HTTP colon basic. Sorry, not HTTP colon. Bravo. Security colon. HTTP basic. Enable basic mode of authentication. Enable basic mode of authentication. Supervise. Enable basic mode of authentication. Yeah. Shall we run this, guys? Array, authorization enabled means after authentication only authorization takes place. Let's check whether things are happening as expected or not. Let's check whether things are happening as expected or not. Okay. Array, basic mode of authentication means asking username, password, browser generates the dialog box. Actually, there's a servlet concept, Babu. Basic, digest, form based, all these things is there. Basic means it makes browser to generate the dialog box asking username and password. Form means it makes web application to generate a form. Security, Spring Security one to generate a form asking username, password. HTTP basic means it's a model of authentication. Okay. Array, see, this is permit all. Home page is permit all, na boss. Home page is permit all, right? No tension. Now click on get wish message, asking username, password. According to our configuration, who is having according to our permutation, who is having admin role, guys? Ramesh is having admin role, right? But you give Karan Hyderabad. Click on sign in. Again asking Karan 1. Karan 1. What is there? Hyderabad 1. Click on this. Okay. HTTP basic is giving this dialog box. Come on. HTTP basic is giving this dialog box. Those are getting doubt. What do you mean by basic? It makes browser to generate the dialog box asking username, password. Yeah. Who is having admin role here? Two people. Ramesh Hyderabad, Suresh Delhi. So I'm taking Ramesh here, right, boss? Ramesh is the username. Hyderabad is the password. Click on sign in. Array, after giving correct username, password, having correct role, we are able to get into this page or not, boss. Click on contact. Array, once authenticated for this browser, forever authenticated. Yeah, listen, using that user, can we get into contact as page? Contact, to get into contact as page, what role is required, my dear? To get into contact us page, what role is required? Agent role is required. But already Ramesh is having what role? Admin role. That's why 403 error has come na, boss. 403 error has come na. So that means things are happening as expected or not? Now listen. Instead of basic authentication, yes, sir, we can add in the mini this security in a mini project also. If you are looking for, wait, I will tell how to log out. Everything I will tell one by one. If you are looking for form-based authentication, then go for security : form login. In the place of HTTP basic, you go for what? Form login. So now I am commenting this, Babu. This is commented. Oh, come here, Babu. Security : form login. Enables the form mode authentication. Enables the form mode authentication. Super guys. Right click, run on server, say next, say finish, save. Tell me now. Form-based authentication. Check it out. This time what has come? Okay, forget about it. That's a previous history it is giving, not a user. Form has come now, boss. Hey, I didn't create this form. Spring Security is taking care of this. Spring Security is taking care of this. Okay, I have given wrong username and password. Karan, Hyderabad. Click on sign in. Bad credentials. Bad credentials. Suparna, boss. Bad credentials. Tell me next one. Karan one, Hyderabad one. Sign in. Bad credentials. Is coming or not coming? Is coming or not coming? I want reply. Yes, boss. Bad credentials is coming or not coming? Come on. Okay. Array. Yeah. Ramesh one, Hyderabad. Click on. Gone. Okay. Now tell me. Ramesh, Hyderabad. Sign. Array, now it's coming or not coming? It's coming or not coming? Home. But now for this browser, already Ramesh is authenticated. Using that, he's trying to access contact. 403 is coming or not? Okay. Array, I don't want to see 403 like that, Babu. I want to see my choice error page. I want to see my choice error page whenever authorization fails. We can configure our choice web page as error page. Come on. Mahendra Babu. Accept difference. Difference itself, the appearance itself is the main difference. The appearance itself is the main difference. Form-based authentication, we can customize the form. Basic authentication, completely look, everything is under control of what? Browser only. Got it? If you don't like this form, boss, if you don't like this form, you can customize, you can create your own form also. But in basic, we don't have option. You don't have option, right now, boss? Okay. Now listen. Listen. This is very interesting, Rabab. We can configure our choice web page as the error page. If authorization failed, instead of displaying 403 default error page. Array. Instead of displaying 403 error page, ugly page, we can configure our choice page. Access_denied.jsp is my choice, my page. Where I should place, guys? In web app folder, we have to place, not in pages folder, web app folder. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Okay. Yeah, someone is asking how to configure user-defined forms. Have a look. Here we have attributes now. First, create your own form page and specify that one. Specify that one. Got it? Specify that one. Here you have to configure it. First, develop it and configure it. Everything is possible. Yeah. Can we provide sign up option? There is no ready-made sign up option. We have to create logic on our. For that one, we have to create logic on our. Clear, guys? Can you move forward? Can I take one by one, or can I stuck in your questions? Can I take to discussion to next level? Everything comes, but sabar karo. Everything comes, my dear. Please sabar karo. Yes, boss. Form login we have seen na. Alexa, activate balcony center light.
Okay.
Security colon. Spring Boot security, Spring security, both are one. Security colon. What is this? Access denied handler. Access denied handler. What is this? Error page only, na? What is the one configuration? Error page. My choice name I can do. /access_denied.js. Denied.js. You guys, nice, boss. Here, web app folder, new JSP file, access_denied.js. Say next. Say next. Okay. H1 style is equal to color colon red. Text -align is equal to center. Come on. Authorization failed. Authorization is failed. Super. Authorization is failed. Authorization is failed. BR ahref dot slash ahref dot. Done was. Right click. Next, finish. Now listen. This time contact us, guys. Oh, saying that 404 contact us is not there. Come not there. Slash contact is not there. Yesterday we tested na boss. We tested or not tested? Phases, welcome.jsp, contact. Yes, there. Oh, contact. It's saying that it is not there. It's saying that it is not there. How come? Go to controller class. Go to class. Yesterday we tested everything, Raghav. Yeah, contact is ready, na? Right, boss. Access denied. Denied. Access denied. DNIED. Same thing I mentioned here. Spell mistake also no problem. Denied. Okay. Denied. Now let's have a look now. Right click, run on server, say next, say finish. Say next, say finish. Yeah, this browser is all ready. So, click on contact us. Authorization failed message has come now, boss. Authorization failed message has come. Let me show freshly once again. Run on server, say next, say finish, get wish message. Authorization failed. Authorization failed because Raja is there. Raja Rani. Username password is right. But his role is what? Agent role. Authentication succeeded, but agent role. But to get into wish page, what is the role required? Admin role is required. Right now, boss. That's why. Okay. Home page. Contact us. Contact us. Why? To get into contact us page, what role is required? Agent role is required. This fellow is having what? Agent role. That's why you're able to get that one. Home. You click on it, authorization. My theory and practical is matching or not matching? My theory and practical is matching or not matching? Come on. Super means super. Super means super. See guys, now problem what you know? What is the problem you know? Once browser is listen. Once what you want to access both pages, then we have to log in with what user? Suresh user. Suresh is having both roles, right? Shabazz, can you put concentrator my here? Role, admin role is there, agent role is there. But problem is, whenever I want to see browser forgetting the user, I'm closing the browser. But in Gmail, are we going to close the browser or we click on sign out button? Whenever you want to switch the user, we go for whenever you want to sign out, come on. This is my contact us. This is my get wish message, guys. Everyone, come on. I want to provide logout option. How I got in Gmail. So that I need not to close the browser to present my next user as a fresh user, right? If you observe very carefully, once window is authenticated for certain user, it is always taking that user. There is no provision to enter into other user without closing window, right? Without closing browser software. Without closing browser software. Understanding my statement, guys? Come on. Without closing browser software. Without closing browser software. I want reply. Okay, for that one, we have to provide logout option now. But thing is what? In Servlet JSP, if you want to implement all these things, big lines of code you have to write. But here, all the things can be added on the fly just like. All these things can be added on the fly just like that. On the fly just like that. On the fly just like that. Clear, my dear? Got the point, my dear? Come on. Okay, now come here. Now you come here. Here I am providing one option first. Configuring custom page as the 403 page. 403 errors. Okay. Next. Enable logout option. Logout. Enable. Tell me, guys, what is this? Security colon logout. Observe very carefully. What is the default URL of the logout, guys? Security colon logout. Incorporate logout processing filter. Most of the web application requires logout filter, although you may not require one. You write a controller, provided the similar laws. There is no need of writing you controller. Most of the time it is required, guys. Most of the time it is required. This is the logout tag, boss. Access denied handler. Help is coming like anything now, boss. Yeah, listen carefully. What is the default logout URL, guys? Defaults to /logout if unspecified. That means this service can be accessed at the what URL? /logout. This service can be accessed by giving what URL? /logout. Understanding my statement, boss? Okay. Now come to this place. Contact us.jsp ampersand NBSP semicolon ampersand NBSP semicolon 2 semicolons, guys. Paste. ahref. Tell me here, what is there? /logout. Sign out. Hyperlink message ra babu, nothing else. Same thing, boss. In the result page of Wishbin, in the result page of that, show _ result page, my dear. Say paste. Here also sign. I think /sign out will work out. I have to put a /. I have to put a / guys, so that context path /logout will. Context path /logout will. Now have a look, guys. Now I am able to log out from the current user. Run on server, say next, say finish, say okay. Yeah, it internally uses HTTP session.invalidate only. Get message. Okay. Ramesh Hyderabad. Ramesh Hyderabad. Sign in. Came na? Here what option has come? Sign out option has come. Are you sure you want to log out? Yes. You have been signed out. You have been signed out. Is it not interesting, Babu? And asking to sign in again. Asking to sign in again. This time I want to sign in with Raja Ran. Sign. It will take you to home page. From there, contact us. Okay. Authorization failed. Authorization failed. Get into contact us. Are here why it is missing? Contact us missing. In contact us, we don't have sign out option. Huh? How come sign out option is not coming in contact us? It's supposed to come here, na? It is not coming, na? Is it not updated properly? Is it not updated properly? Yes, this dot logout is fixed, guys. To match with the current pattern, I am taking dot slash log. Dot slash logout. Why it is not updated, Raghav? It is not saved. Huh? Is it not saved? Saved. Yeah, sometimes it happens, Babu. When that is happened, stop the server once. Okay, clean the project once. Alright, logout is the fixed. Logout is the fixed one, right? See, it adds a dynamic filter to Spring application, having logout activity for user with the URL slash logout fixed default URL. Okay, logout hyperlink. You have to add logout hyperlink. You can add only logout also, not a problem. Only logout also you can add, not a problem. Right click, guys. Run on server, guys. Tomcat 9, guys. Finish, guys. Raja Rani. Hey, what's happening, guys? What's happening? What's happening? Why logout is missing in the contact us page? Did I open correct contact us page? Did I modify correct contact us page? I doubt. I doubt this. Contact underscore page. I have opened other applications contact us, Rabo. This is not a right contact us. This is not right welcome. Be careful. No. Problem is I have opened old applications contact us. Close all editors freshly. Yes. Right click. Run on server. Say next. Say finish. Save. Contact us, guys. Yeah, here is what sign out option. Are you sure you want to log out? Yes. Are you sure you want to log out? Now you want to log in with whom? Ramesh Hyderabad. Sign in. Okay. From there it is going there. Sign out. Yes. Come on. Things are happening. See, big facilities are coming just like that. Big facilities are coming just like that. Mostly used services are coming just like that, right? More regularly used services are coming just like that. Understanding my statement? Are you listening my statement, guys? Okay. Array, if you give any wrong logins, Gmail is blocked. I don't think nowadays that feature is happening. I don't think nowadays that feature is happening. Is it happening, boss? Contact us, home, wish message, home. Yeah. In bank application, it's happening, right? So you want such feature, you have to enable manual. Yeah. Now listen carefully. To lock the user, name Raja, this one, authorities. If you want to temporarily lock the user, guys, for certain period, locked is equal to. That's a simple feature. That's very simple feature. Security-beans.xml. For one of the user, I said locked is equal to. For Raja user, I said locked is equal to. Have a testing now. Run on server, guys. Say next, guys. Finish, guys. Name Raja, run. User locked. Hey, account is locked now, boss. We are getting this message. Okay, locking period is over. Now we can say false. Default is false only, Ram. Default is false. Otherwise, don't write anything. Otherwise, don't write anything. Right, boss? Okay. Right, guys? I hope you enjoyed this feature. Now listen. Below the form, we have a remember me option. Hey, come on. We have a remember me option. Come on. Super, guys. You have a remember me option. Can you tell me what is remember me option, boss? Okay. After sign in, without sign out. Please remember this. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Come on. After sign in, without to sign out, if you close the browser, okay, by selecting remember me, you should not ask password and username to get into the account. Okay. If that remember me is not there, let's see what happens if remember me is not there. See the practicals without remember me. Run on server. Say next. Okay. Say next this. Click on this. Who is the user? Are people are asking, sir, I don't want this one. I want empty text boxes. Are go and clean the browser history. It will go off. Manage passwords. Browser history is there, na? Okay, that will go off. Hyderabad. Am I signing out? No. I captured the username. I closed the browser. Again, I am pasting the URL. Once again, it is asking me to log in now. Once again, it is asking me to log in now. Did you notice it? Once again, see the practicals. Ramesh, Hyderabad. Click on it. I closed it. Without sign out, I closed it. Once again, when I paste the URL, once again, it is asking me to log in. But if I do the same thing by selecting Remember Me checkbox, without sign in, we can get into the application because your computer remembers the username password. Okay, your computer remembers the username password. For that one, you have to add Remember Me checkbox. To add Remember Me checkbox, come on. To add the Remember Me checkbox, we have to use this one. Where is this? Security colon remember. Security colon remember. It should be inside security colon next. Security colon remember. Suparna boss, security colon remember. Yeah. Run on this. Say next. Say finish. Say okay. Get to wish message. Ramesh, Hyderabad. Array, this is extra now. This is extra. Remember. Sign in. Without sign out, I am copying the URL, closing the browser. Open the new browser. Paste. Earlier, it made me to log in again. This time, page is coming directly. Did you understand the benefit of Remember Me? Did you understand the benefit of Remember Me? Security hyphen. Remembers the username password details of a user across the multiple launches of browser window of same browser software without sign out operation. This internally uses cookies concept, persistent cookies concept, practicals. Launch application and submit the username password details by selecting Remember Me. By selecting Remember Me option. Raja Rani. Remember Me on this computer. Sign. Now listen. Okay. After getting into required page, close the browser window by copying the URL. Super. Okay. Open the browser window, paste the URL. Since browser has remembered username password details in the form of cookies, in the cookies, so it will not ask them again. It will not ask them again. It will not ask them again. Convinced, my dear? Array. Look at this. This is my Natraj Java Arena page. Okay, long back I logged in Babu by selecting remember me. Okay, every day I'm just clicking on the URL, pasting the URL. It is giving me to this page without asking username and password because I selected remember me long back. Because I selected remember me option long back. Convinced guys? Enjoyed all these facilities guys? Thoroughly enjoyed all these facilities guys? Come on. Okay. Thoroughly enjoyed these facilities, guys. Come on. Dave, clicking on back button and pressing refresh is a double posting problem na? And how to solve double posting problem we already enjoyed. Super guys. Babuji, you are getting 500s or internal error means in web.xml configuration some problems are coming. Towards okay. Towards creating objects, some issue has come. That's why 500 error is coming. And we can solve the double posting problem with the support of PRG pattern, right? Remembered all these options. Open 22nd and 23rd. Next one is very, very interesting. Are, did you observe Netflix people gives how many logins? How many attempts? How many parallel logins? How many simultaneous logins, boss? Five logins, right? Five parallel logins are allowed. Prime, 10 parallel logins are allowed. I think now Prime people also reduce it to 5. Now, that is called concurrency logins, Rahul. Concurrent sessions. How many concurrent sessions you want to allow per each user? For each user, how many concurrent sessions you want to allow? Understanding my statement? Super guys. Shall we go for that? Session concurrency control. Error if maximum exceeded true. Max sessions 2. That means for every user, I want to allow only 2 sessions. For every user, I want to allow 2 parallel sessions. I don't want to allow more than 2 parallel sessions. Got it? I don't want to allow more than 2 parallel sessions. Are you understanding my statement, guys? I don't want to allow more than 2 parallel sessions, boss. Yes, boss. Okay, let's see now. Super. Now come here. Where is this? Security-beans.xml. Security : Session management. Array, each login is one session na boss. Security : concurrency control. Error if maximum exceeded true. Error if maximum exceeded true. And I want how many maximum concurrent sessions you want to allow? How many maximum concurrent sessions you want to allow, guys? Two. This is very, very important questions, Rabab. Each configuration is one important question. And especially when you show gap as experience. Error if maximum exceeded true. Max session is 2. Max session is 2, guys. Array, for every user, I want to allow all this. Okay. Super, guys. Super, guys. Tell me now. I'll close the browser freshly. I will take a run on server, guys. Say next, guys. Say finish, guys. Save. Get to wish message, guys. Okay. Ramesh, first user Ramesh. Ramesh Hyderabad. One login is over, Rab. Array, tabs will not be treated as a separate session, separate client. Tabs will not be treated as a separate session, separate client. Clear? Browser software will be treated as a separate client, separate session. Tab will not be treated as a separate session. Always remember that. Array, I'm not able to open Chrome browser. I want Chrome browser, Rab. How to launch Chrome browser? Can I launch Chrome browser? Firefox browser? I'm launching Firefox browser. Get to wish message. What is the user? Ramesh Hyderabad. Both users are gone. Both two count is completed. Now I need third count. Third count can be done another browser software of Chrome, not the window, not the tab. Another software, another fresh software I have to open it. Otherwise, I can go to this one, run as administrator. Array, why Edge is not coming, Rabab? Why Edge is not coming? Is it the Edge? No. I want to open Edge. Where is Edge, Rabab? Microsoft Edge. Okay. Edge is not opening. Fine, no problem. We'll try to open fresh window, fresh Google Chrome I'm opening, boss. No way related to existing one. No need of installing. Already available one is coming. I want fresh window. Okay, new window. New window, come. Here is Vishra Babu. Get to wish message. It is treating as a same client, Babu. It is treating as a same client. This is the issue. This is the issue with the things. 1 minute. I want to see it is treating as a separate window. I think separate Chrome has come. Separate Chrome has come. Chrome has come, but it is treated as a same thing. Get to wish message, same window it is feeling. I reduce the count to 1. Why should I reduce? Don't reduce. Better not to reduce. Let me try with incognito window. I think Microsoft Explorer will be there now. Internet Explorer, iExplorer. iExplorer is not there nowadays. iExplorer is not there nowadays. Disconnected. Okay. Is there? No? Chrome is already, Firefox is already there. Disconnected. Edge is not opening. That's why headache. Edge is not opening. Let me try this incognito window. Incognito window, separate window, Rabab. Same paste. Incognito is coming as a this one. Ramesh here, Hyderabad here. Already 2 counts are there. Maximum sessions of 2 for this principal. Principal means username. Principal means username is exceeded. This is what we are looking for now, boss. At least now you realize Windows and tabs will not be treated as a separate client. Total browser software of your client machine is treated as a client. Come on, guys. My theory and practicals are matching or not matching? Check it out, practicals. From a client machine, try to execute the application using same credentials in different browser softwares like IE, Netscape, Chrome, Edge. After 2 logins from 2 different browser softwares, we get number of principals or logins are exceeded. Okay, this is the error. This is the error we are. I think today everyone enjoyed the practicals, guys. Everyone thoroughly enjoyed the practicals, guys. Big things are happening just like that now, boss. Big operations are happening just like that now, boss. Thoroughly enjoyed or not? Thoroughly enjoyed or not? Conveniently enjoyed or not? Got the clarity or not? Come on. Super. Thank you, guys. Have a nice day.